Well everyone, I finally broke down and bought myself a new Tesla, but it might not be the one that you were thinking of. Really? Back in the end of November, Elon Musk tweeted, "Blow the whistle on Tesla," with a link to the Cyberwhistle product page on the Tesla shop. I did happen to see the tweet within about the first 10 minutes of it being posted, and I jumped on the opportunity to snag one of these limited edition whistles. The whole idea, of course, is kind of a tongue-in-cheek joke about all of the whistleblower lawsuits that Tesla has faced over the last couple of years. I received that whistle today, and I will say the whistle is packaged very nicely. It's made of stainless steel, so it's really heavy and sturdy, and it does have a very high-pitched, loud whistle, which my dog truly does hate. So I know this thing is just a big meme, but I thought it was funny. I thought that the whistle would make a cool desk decoration, if nothing else, and at the end of the day, the money is going towards Tesla and Elon Musk, who I am big believers in. So yeah, that is it for this video. I wanted to keep it pretty short, just because of the nature of it being just a whistle. If you enjoyed this video and want to see some cool tech videos in the future, definitely subscribe to the channel. I upload every single week with something really cool, and sometimes a bonus video such as this one. But that is it from me, guys. I will see you next time. Peace. They say if you blow the whistle, it's kind of like the horn of Gondor, and a self-driving Tesla will just like appear and pick you up.